Here's how you can capture high-resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the main thing about taking photos with the highest resolution possible is of course the amount of megapixels that we have set up. In the top right corner over here we have a number with letter M, and this is the amount of megapixels. Ideally you want to use 200 megapixels to take the highest resolution photos possible. Over here we can also tap on these four dots in order to also find the option for choosing the megapixels, the amount of megapixels. But you can also take care of the aspect ratio, where you can switch between different aspect ratios, and perhaps you like the full resolution because it looks cool or something. But if you're looking for the highest resolution possible, you want to use 3 to 4. This one provides the highest amount of pixels, and the photos that you take with this aspect ratio will provide the highest resolution. So with that in mind, of course, you still need to remember about such things as the night mode. So if you are making photos at night, probably the resolution may drop, or the quality of photo in general may drop a little bit. Same with the macro mode, and so on and so forth. Of course, keep in mind that some other things like the proper lighting conditions can also impact the quality of the photo. Maybe not the resolution, but the quality itself, of course. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!